So you are getting a metallic taste from tap water. Your soap doesn't lather. Clothes from laundry look dull. Hair looks dry and weak. Enough of it. You have a hard water problem. And you are not alone. A whopping 85% of the USA has hard water, so the chances that you live in state or city with hard water is high. See this map. Las Vegas, Phoenix, San Antonio, Tampa, Indianapolis all suffer from this hard problem. Hard water is high in calcium and magnesium minerals. As water flows through the rock and soil, calcium and magnesium minerals get dissolved into water, giving a milky appearance and metallic taste to water. It can damage your appliances, reduce your faucet pressure, and make normal life difficult. Maybe that's why it's called hard water. The water hardness level is measured by the quantity of calcium carbonate in the water. 0 to 60 milligrams per liter is classified as soft, 61 to 120 milligrams per liter is moderately hard, and beyond 120 milligrams per liter, it's considerably hard. Okay, so how to get rid of it? The obvious solution is to get a water softener, but they are damn expensive. Here we present budget-friendly solutions to soften hard water for laundry, kitchen, and bathroom. They are eco-friendly too. Oops, did I forget to mention water softeners can pose threat to environment? Anyways, let's start with our pocket-friendly softening methods. We'll start with kitchen first. Hard water makes cooking slow, food taste bland, and your dough is less likely to rise. Enter boiling. Boiling is the age-old purification method that can solve temporary hardness from water. The process is simple, easy, and 100% free. Here's what you need to do. Boil the drinking water in a container. After cooling, preserve the top water and discard the bottom water that comprises unwanted minerals. Mind you, it can only remove temporary hardness, specifically 60 to 80 milligrams L of calcium carbonate. For higher hardness levels, better use a softener. Next up, laundry. Hard water can leave stains on clothes, make sheets dull and shirts rough on your skin. Introducing distilled white vinegar. I use this substance to save my laundry clothes from hard water stains. It removes all the hard water white spots, makes my stiff towels soft again, and bleaches some of my fabrics. Here's how to use it. Mix this plain. Dilute the vinegar with an equal quantity of water. Apply it to your laundry clothes and scrub and rinse your clothes. It's that easy. You can also use washing soda. This natural water softener melts the hard water soap scum wherever you want. Cherry on the cake. Your detergent gets an extra cleaning and freshening ability through it. Here's how to use it. Add washing soda to your water. This soluble product reacts with hard minerals like calcium and magnesium, thus softening your water. Wash your clothes in the same water using a detergent. Rinse the clothes. Other miracle softening products include laundry borax and low pH detergent. Now, if your hardness levels are too high, consider using water conditioners instead of pricey water softeners. Finally, let's fix bathing water. Hard water in bathroom can make your skin dry, cause dandruff in your hair, itchiness, and red patches on your skin. Not to mention, it leaves stains on your ceramic tiles. So to solve it, you can use, drum rolls please, baby oil. As surprising as it may sound, baby oil can make your dry skin and hair oily again. For tile stains, you can use baking soda and vinegar. But a more long-term solution is to install shower head filters. They remove heavy metals and contaminants from bathing water, making it soft and good. They cost around $30 to $40 and are super easy to maintain. So to sum up, boiling is best to soften hard water in kitchen. Vinegar, washing soda, and laundry borax are best to soften hard laundry water. Baby oil and shower filter are best for your bathroom. Found this video helpful? Drop a like. Comment if you face hard water problems in your home. Subscribe for more such helpful water-related videos. Happy soft water, everyone.